for joyful giving. If we try, we shall see. In this bliss we cannot feel.
Fear or dread, we stop existing and start living.